ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 128। The last word in टीका। अर्थवाद वाक्यानां स्वार्थे तात्पर्याभावेन प्राशस्त्य अवबोधकतया स्वार्थावबोधक वाक्यत्व अभावात् वाक्यिक वाक्यता योग्यत्वे अपि। So the topic is वाक्यिक वाक्यता। वाक्यिक वाक्यता योग्यत्वे अपि वाक्यार्थ अवबोधकयोर वाक्ययोर यत्र एकवाक्यत्वं तत्रैव तत्र वाक्यिक वाक्यत्वम् इत्याह। Just checking at one place whether it is वाक्यिक वाक्यता योग्यत्वम और वाक्यिक वाक्यता अयोग्यत्वम। अर्थवाद वाक्यानां स्वार्थे तात्पर्य अभावेन। अर्थवाद वाक्य लाइक वायुर्वैक्षेपिष्ठा देवता और
आदित्यो यूपः
आदित्यो यूपः सो अरोदित। These vakyas, they don't have स्वार्थे तात्पर्य। स्वार्थे तात्पर्य भावेन प्राशस्त्य अवबोधकतया, they are प्राशस्त्य अवबोधक। प्राशस्त्य means प्रशंसा। स्वार्थ अवबोधक वाक्यत्व अभावात्, but they don't have स्वार्थ अवबोध वाक्यत्वम, and therefore वाक्यिक वाक्यता अयोग्यत्वे अपि। There you have to put खंडाकार, which is missing in the टीका। खंडाकार is missing। वाक्यिक वाक्यता अयोग्यत्वे अपि। Everybody knows where?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, I'll tell you. 129 page, second line in टीका। वाक्यिक वाक्यता अयोग्यत्वे अपि। वाक्यार्थ अवबोधकयोः वाक्ययोः। सो वाक्यिक वाक्यत्व अयोग्यत्व। Why? Because there is, why वाक्यिक वाक्यता अयोग्यत्व is there? Yes. Why वाक्यिक वाक्यता अयोग्यत्व is not there?
तात्पर्य अभावेन।
No, because पदैक वाक्यता is there. The whole thing, Arthavada, is covered in one pada. Therefore, Padaika Vakyata is there. Therefore, Vakyika Vakyata is not there. Clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
When there is Padaika Vakyata, then you don't need Vakyika Vakyata. So, Arthavada Vakyas, where did they give example of Arthavada Vakya? In Padaika Vakyata or Vakyika Vakyata? Padaika Vakyata. Arthavada Vakya Drishtanta is Padaika Vakyata. For Vakyika Vakyata, what Drishtanta they give? See the Moolam.
Darshapurnamas.
Darshapurnamasa. Ido yajati, samido yajati. So, Arthavada Drishtanta is not for Vakyika Vakyata. Arthavada Drishtanta is for
Padaika Vakyata.
So, Vakyika Vakyata, Yogyatvam is not there. Ayogyatve api. Vakyartha avabodhakayoho vakyayoho yatra eka vakyatvam. Where Vakyartha avabodhakayoho vakyika vakyatvam, tatra vakyika vakyatvam. Yatra. In Moolam, we already saw yesterday. Yatra pratyekam bhinna bhinna sansarga pratipadakayoho vakyayoho akanksha vashena. Mahavakyartha avabodhakatvam. Bhinna bhinna vakya, they are having their own artha. Darshapurnamasa has its own meaning. Ido yajati, samido yajati, tanunapatam yajati. Each vakya, each karma has its own avabodhakatvam. But there is paraspara akanksha also. So you have Vakyartha Bodha in each. Darshapurnamasa, Vakyartha Bodha is there. Ido yajati, samido yajati, Vakyartha Bodha is there. But all put together, you will have Mahavakyartha Bodha. Mahavakya means not Mahavakya as in Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Mahavakya means all these Vakyas put together will make one complete understanding. That is called Vakyika Vakyata. Because they have Paraspara Apekshita Angangi Bhava. Akanksha is there. तद उदाहरणमाह यथा दर्शपूर्णमासाभ्याम. एक वाक्यता प्रयोजकम इज परस्पर आकांक्षा. दर्शपूर्णमासाभ्याम इत्यादि वाक्यानाम अंगी अवबोधकत्वम. समिधो यजति, इडा यजति इत्यादि वाक्यानाम अंग अवबोधकत्वम. तद अवबोधकत्वात् आकांक्षा विषयत्वम तत्वात्. Tattvat means
Vakyeka bodhakatvat.
akanksha vishayatvat. Tattvat means akanksha. After akanksha vishayatvam, if tattvat is given, then tat will become akanksha vishayatva. Akanksha vishayatvat ekavakyatah. इत्यर्थः. स्व उक्ते अर्थे भट्टपादाचार्य वाक्यं संवादयति. स्व उक्ते अर्थे, स्व मीन्स who?
वेदांत परिभाषाकार.
स्व उक्ते अर्थे वेदांत परिभाषा कार्य अर्थे कारस्य उक्ते अर्थे. So in his whatever he has said, He says, I am not saying it on my own. There is sammati of Bhattapadacharya. Bhattapadacharya means Kumaril Bhatt, means somewhere in the Vartik, Tantra Vartika, Shloka Vartika, he has given this. Acharya Vakyam Samvadayati. Acharya to Yakara. New students know the sutra? New Vyakarana students.
No, Swamiji.
Okay. Anybody else?
धर्म अर्थार्थ न्यायाद अनपेक्षित.
How? There is no dharma here. Acharya, Bhattapadacharya. Acho,
Rahabhyam dve.
Prakar is there. Samvadayati taduktam. That shloka which we saw yesterday. स्वार्थ बोधे समाप्तानाम अंगांगित्वादि अपेक्षया. स्वर्ग दर्श पूर्णमासादि वाक्य विचार स्वार्थ बोधे समाप्त means they are complete by itself in their own bodha, but they have angitva, they expect some anga to be fulfilled with it. So angangitva di apekshaya vakyanam ekavakyatvam. So they have vakyeka vakyatvam. Similarly, samido yajati also is swartha bodhi, but it will have anga bhava, it will expect angi. Lot of chintanam has been done on how to understand Shabda Pramana. In general, when we study other texts, what is the idea of Shabda Pramana? Jahal Lakshana, Ajahal Lakshana, and Jahad Ajahal Lakshana, and Purna Viram. After that, we think we have understood Shabda Pramana. And you know how long this topic has been going on. And still there is a lot remaining in this. And they give so much importance to Veda Vakya because all of this will be, this Acharya Dharmaraja Advarendraju, he has written Tika on Panchapadika, correct? We saw in the beginning. Anybody remembers? Not on Panchapadika, on Vivarana maybe. He has written a Tika. So, whatever is there in the Brahma Sutra, Chatussutri Bhashya, and the some later part, he has kept in mind while writing this work. Vakyanam ekavakyatvam punaha samhatya. Samhatya means making it a sanghata. Samhatya jayate. Ekavakyatvam jayate. Tika. Prathamam swarthabodhe paryavasanam. See here also paryavasanam. Two yakara with rakara. Paryavasanam praptanam. Vakyanam angangi bhavadi apekshaya. Punar militva vakyeka vakyatvam sampadyata ityartha. Swarthabodhe paryavasanam. Praptanam. Those which have, they are complete by themselves in giving Swartha Bodha. Paryavasanam Praptanam Vakyanam Angangi Bhavadi Apekshaya. But they have Angangi Bhava. So Angangi Bhavadi Apekshaya. Punar Militva Vakyeka Vakyatvam Sampadyate Ityartha. पुनर्मिलित्वा, then having come again, vakyeka vakyatvam sampadyate. Therefore, these vakyas will have vakyeka vakyata. Padartha nirupanam upasamharati. He completes this padartha topic. Evam dvivido api padartho nirupitaha. Dvivido padartha means shakyartha and lakshyartha. They both are called padartha. Padartha nirupanam is complete. So two tikas he has written. One is Tarka Chudamani. This Dharmaraja Advarindra. And he has also written on Panchapadika. Tika on Panchapadika means Tika on 4 sutras. So this was the tradition. Anybody who studies will study full Prasthanatraya, and they have to know Nyaya, because so much Nyaya discussion, refutation, and some Siddhantas are also taken from Nyaya. So all of that is required. And of course you need Vyakarana. So Vyakarana Nyaya and Prasthanatraya. And in that Mimamsa will come. So this is minimum you have to study. That is how the tradition was. Okay. So now Padartha Nirupanam is over. Akanksha, Yogyata, now Asatti. Then Tatparya Bodha will be next. Krama Praptam Asattim Lakshayati. Asatti means Sannidhi, proximity. Tad Upasthitischa Asattihi. In Mulam, Tad Upasthitischa Asattihi. Tippani number 1. Asattischa avyavadhanena padajanya padarthopasthitihi iti uktam. Tal lakshana ghatakasya padarthasya shakya lakshya dvaividyena nirupanam kritam. Avyavadhanena padajanya padarthopasthitihi is asatti. Proximity means vyavadhanam is not there. And it also should have padajanya padarthopasthiti. So in all of them, Padajanyatvam is required, then only it will qualify for Shabda Bodha. Otherwise, very Shabda Bodha. It is Pratyaksha, Anumana, something else. Iti Uktam. Tad Lakshana Ghatakasya Padarthasya. That Padajanya Padartha. What is the Padartha? Tal Lakshana Ghataka. Padartha is Tat Lakshana Ghataka. Or not?
Yes.
What is Tat?
Asattihi.
Correct.
Asatti.
Asatti, correct. Asatti Lakshana has Padartha as its Ghataka. That Padartha is of 2 types. Shakyartha and Lakshyartha. Shakya Lakshya Dvaividyena Nirupanam Kritam. Its Nirupanam is done. Tadrisha Dvividha Padarthopasthiti hi Asattihi. So Dvividha Padartha Upasthiti is called Asatti. Sometimes it is Shakyartha Upasthiti, sometimes it is Lakshyartha Upasthiti. Even if both comes, you are going to take only one. In one Vakya, you cannot take one Pada having Shakyartha also, Lakshyartha also. Both you cannot take. In Tika, Padajanya Padartha Smritihi ityarthaha. Upasthiti means Smriti. I remember Ghataha. So Ghataha I have seen earlier. It is not Pratyaksha right now. Now there is only Shabda Bodha. Shabda Bodha will rekindle my Smriti. I will remember. Oh, this is called Ghataha. So it is Padajanya Padartha Smriti. Somewhere Lakshyartha Smriti will come, somewhere Shakyartha Smriti will come. इन मूलम साच शाब्द बोधे हेतु तदेव अन्वय व्यतिरेक दर्शनात्. बिफोर दैट लेट्स सी टीका. ननु शाब्द बोधे उक्त आसक्तिर हेतु उत तज्ञानम. इन शाब्द बोध आसक्ति इज हेतु और आसक्ति ज्ञानम इज हेतु. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन रेस्ड. इति अपेक्षायाम सैव हेतु न तज्ञान. आसक्ति इज हेतु. पदजन्य पदार्थ उपस्थिति. आसक्ति ज्ञानम इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. न तज्ञानम इत्याह साच शाब्द बोधे हेतु. इसकी हेतु इन शाब्द बोध है आसक्ति. वाय तदैव अन्वय व्यतिरेक दर्शनात्. बिकॉज द अन्वय व्यतिरेक इज विथ आसक्ति, नॉट आसक्ति ज्ञान. आसक्ति सत्वे शाब्द बोध सत्व. आसक्ति अभावे शाब्द बोधा भाव. अत्र किम प्रमाणम इति अतः तथैव तथैव अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम दर्शनात्.
तथैव is the next line, Swamiji. तथैव अन्वयाद्य अवधारणात्.
तथैव अन्वयादि अवधारणात्. That one.
Because earlier is तदैव.
No, in our book it is tathaiva. Oh, tadaiva. It should be tathaiva. Tathaiva. Both will be tathaiva only. First tathaiva is tathaiva anvaya vyatireka darshanat. Make the correction. Some small corrections are there, but overall, tippanis are very useful. I have found in this reading. It makes the job of the Acharya easy. परस्पर अन्वय योग्य पदार्थोपस्थिति सत्वे शाब्द बोधो भवति. Where परस्पर अन्वय योग्य पदार्थोपस्थिति there, then शाब्द बोध is there. तदभावे न इति अन्वय व्यतिरेक दर्शन. यद्वा. So परस्पर अन्वय योग्य पदार्थोपस्थिति means the दृष्टांत they will give वन्यना सिंचेत. वन्यना सिंचेत is for योग्यता. Here the योग्यता is gam, somebody says, and asakti anaya. So he doesn't say anaya after 2 hours. Means whatever shabda he says, let us say, to complete the vakya. That vakya, those padas, they have to be appropriate pada for the previous pada whose ucharana has happened. And then if their upasthiti produces shabda bodha, then that is called they have asakti. If their upasthiti doesn't produce shabda bodha, then there is no asakti. So tadabhave, asakti abhave, shabda bodha abhava. Yadva. Ma astu asakti hi shabda bodhe hetu. Kakshati hi iti ashankya. Okay, let there not be asakti as the shabda bodha hetu. What is the kshati? What is the dosha? Sacha Shabdabodhe hetu. Same thing you have to read again. Atra manamaha tathaiva. Again, this tathaiva is second tathaiva. Second tathaiva means in tika. Which one you should take in the moolam?
तथैव अन्वयादि अवधारणात्.
No. You have to take tathaiva anvaya vyatireka darshana. Because this is yadva. In tika, when they say yadva, means they are explaining the same part again in different way. The third tathaiva is there at the end of that paragraph. Ataha sa hetu rityaha tathaiva, is it there?
Yes.
That tathaiva is the second one in the moolam. So first one in tika, tathaiva is first moolam. Second tathaiva is
First move.
first moolam. And third tathaiva is second moolam. Because yadva, when they say, again the same thing they are explaining, but in a different hetu phala or sadhana sadhya relationship. Yatha shabdabodhe, see, he explains differently. Yatha shabdabodhe akanshadikam karanam. एवं आकांक्षादिना जातो अवांतर वाक्यार्थ बोधो महावाक्यार्थ ज्ञाने कारणम इत्याह. Just as in Shabda Bodha, आकांक्षादिकम कारणम, आकांक्षा etc. are कारणम. एवं आकांक्षादिना जातो अवांतर वाक्यार्थ बोध, through आकांक्षा etc. अवांतर वाक्यार्थ बोध will happen. वाक्यार्थ बोधो महावाक्यार्थ ज्ञाने कारणम. Then that becomes कारणम for महावाक्यार्थ ज्ञान. इत्याह एवं. एवं महावाक्यार्थ बोधे अवांतर वाक्यार्थ बोधो हेतु. अवांतर वाक्य means you should understand both ways. In Purva Mimamsa also you can understand Mahavakya and Avantar Vakya. In Uttar Mimamsa also you can understand Avantar Vakya and Mahavakya. Purva Mimamsa, Avantar Vakyas will be like Idayati, Samidho Yajati, etc. Mahavakya, Bodha will be along with Darsha Purnamasa. In Vedanta Mata, what are the Avantar Vakyas? Did we study them in Siddhanta Bindu?
Some of them.
Yes, we came across this one.
Or
What-
Lakshana of Hridhi Antarjyoti Ayam Purusha Yoyam Vijnanamaya Praneshu Hridhi Antarjyoti
This is example for what? Right.
Avantara Vakya.
Avantar Vakya. Okay. That much we'll do here. Avantar Vakya. It is Tvam Pada Lakshyartha. So Tvam Pada Lakshyartha Vakya is Avantar Vakya. Or any Vakya which is not Mahavakya. Like Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma is Avantar Vakya. Neha Nanasti Kinchana is Avantar Vakya. Mahavakyas where Jiva Brahma Aikya Pratipadanam is there. So Avantar Vakya will have either only Tatpada Lakshyartha, only Tatpada Vachyartha, or only Tvam-pada Lakshyartha, only Tvam-pada Vachyartha, or Jagat Mithyatva Bodhaka Vakya. They all are Avantar Vakyartha. In, I'm not sure whether in Siddhanta Bindu or in Advaita Siddhi, we saw one topic, but you note it down. Jiva Brahma Aikya is where there is Mukhya Tatparya. When we do Shadvidlinga Tatparya Nirnaya, Mukhya Tatparya is in Jiva Brahma Aikya. So Tat Pratipadaka Vakya will be Mahavakya. There is Avantara Tatparyam of Vedanta. What is the avantara tatparya of Vedanta? Jagat mithyatva. Because when we say Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya, Jivo Brahmaiva Napara. So Jagat Mithya is avantara tatparya. So tat pratipadak vakya will become avantar vakya. In this way we should remember. So here he says, यथा शाब्द बोधे आकांक्षादिकम कारणम एवं आकांक्षादिना जातो अवांतर वाक्यार्थ बोधो महावाक्यार्थ ज्ञाने कारणम. अवांतर वाक्यार्थ बोध is कारण for महावाक्यार्थ ज्ञान, which makes sense, because when I know tvam pada vacyartha, it will help me in understanding tattvamasi. When I know tat pada vakyartha, then it will help me in understanding tattvamasi. In the same way, jagan mithyatvam also. महावाक्यार्थ ज्ञाने कारणम इत्याह एवं इति. एवं महावाक्यार्थ बोधे अवांतर वाक्यार्थ बोधो हेतु तथैव अन्वयादि अवधारणा. Anvaya etc. is seen in that way. In that way only. What? That Mahavakyartha Bodha requires Avantar Vakyartha Bodha as the Hetu. So first we study Avantar Vakya, we understand them, we get their Jnanam, then we apply for Mahavakya. That's why Srishti Vakya etc. which reveal Tatpada Vakyartha, they all are Avantar Vakyas, they are studied first. Panchakosha Sahita Chaitanya, that Pratipadak Vakyas, those are studied earlier. Later we study Mahavakya. So then Tatpada Lakshyartha, Tvam-pada Lakshyartha, when it is available, then Mahavakyartha Jnana is possible. Same thing is there for rituals also. When all the Anga Jnanam is available, then in Angi I can put everything together. यतो अवांतर वाक्यार्थ बोध सत्वे महावाक्यार्थ बोधो भवति तदभावे शाब्द बोधो न इति अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ अवधार्येते अतः स हेतुः. So earlier he said padartha asatti, when it is there, shabda bodha is there. Asatti is not there, shabda bodha is not there. In the second interpretation he said avantar vakya bodha is there, mahavakya bodha is there. Avantar vakya bodha abhave, mahavakya bodha abhave. Tathaiva. Now this tathaiva is Anvayadi Avadharanat. So is the Anvaya Avadharanam. Asatti is complete. Now, Tippani we saw. Now, Krama Praptam Tatparya Nirupanam Pratijanite. Next is Tatparya, last one. Pratignyam Karoti. Pratijanite means Pratignyam Karoti. Krama Praptam Tatparyam Nirupyate. Tatra tat pratiti ichchaya uchcharitatvam na tatparyam. Pratiti ichchaya. Pratiti means jnanam. Jnanechchaya uchcharitatvam न तात्पर्य, because Nayyayika, according to Nayyayika, what is Tatparyam? Vakturichha Tatparyam. According to Nyaya, Tatparyam is Vakturichha. It might be given in Tika somewhere later. But in Kiranavali, we might have, no, we have not come up to this point. It will come soon. Tika, निरूपण विषयीभूत तात्पर्ये सति, निरूपण विषयीभूत तात्पर्ये सति तत्प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्वम न तात्पर्य. So in the निरूपण विषयीभूत तात्पर्य, the इच्छा of the Vakta is not where the तात्पर्य is. Why? मौनी श्लोके अव्याप्ति दोषम सिद्धवत्कृत्य अव्याप्तेः उदाहरणानन्तरम् आह. मौनी श्लोक, मौनी person, he writes the shloka. Mauni shloka, there is avyapti dosha. Why avyapti? Because there is no shabda shravanam. There is no shabda. It is not called shabda bodha because shabda requires shruti, shravanendriya gocharatvam. So shravanendriya gocharam is not there. How can you call it shabda bodha? You say mauni shloke avyapti, vyapti dosham siddhavat kritya avyapte he udaharanantaram aha. What is the meaning of this vakya? सिद्धवत कृत्य अव्याप्ते है उदाहरणांतरम. सिद्धवत कृत्य मीन्स ऐसा मान के चलते हैं. मैं आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सेप्टेड दैट मौनी श्लोक देयर विल बी अव्याप्ति, दिस लक्षण. सो ही डजंट इवन ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन द मौनी श्लोक पार्ट. In Mauni Shloka, Tat Pratiti Ichchaya Uchcharitatvam is there.
Yes, Swamiji.
No, Swamiji.
No.
No, there is no Uchcharitatvam. There is no Ucharanam. It is a Mauni. So Uchcharitatvam will not be there. So Avyapti will be there. But Tatparya is there. That person who writes something, he has a Tatparya in mind. He wants to communicate something. So Uchcharitatva Shabda will make it Avyapti. When a Mauni person is there, how there is Uchcharitatva? There is no Uchcharana. He will write something there. I have seen someone, that person was in Maunam for many years. There was a bunch of people, some 50, 60 people were there with me. We went and met him. Meeting means I have. Then he wrote something. Where are you from? Some question. Then we gave answer. We spoke. We didn't write. And again he'll write. It is good sadhana. There is nothing wrong. If people are in Maunam, the world is very wonderful. They are so happy. Anyway. So, Mauni Shloke Avyapti is Siddhavat. He said that is anyway, that Lakshana will not work. So let's not take that example. He takes another example where this Lakshana will not work. Udaharanantaram. Udaharanantaram means Anya Udaharanam. So he gives another example now. What is that? Artha Jnana Shunyena Purushena Uchcharita Uchcharitat Vedat Artha Pratyaya Abhav Prasangat. अर्थ ज्ञान शून्य न पुरुषेण, ए पुरुष हु डजंट नो व्हाट ही इज टॉकिंग, और ये बाल है. आई गेव यू दिस एग्जांपल इन किरणावली. इफ ए चाइल्ड सेज तत्वमसि और जगत इज मिथ्या, a child doesn't know what he is talking, he has just memorized it. You remember I gave this example?
Yes, Swamiji.
So अर्थ ज्ञान शून्येन पुरुषेण उच्चरितात् वेदात्, even if he does ucharanam of veda, वेदात् अर्थ प्रत्यय अभाव प्रसंगा. Why artha pratyaya abhav will be there? How this lakshana will be inappropriate?
Artha Jnana Shunya is there.
Artha jnana shunyena purushena uccaritat vedat artha pratyaya abhav prasanga. This is a vakya to show that there is avyapti in the lakshana of tatparyam. Which aspect will have avyapti and why? Let me ask. Okay, I will ask you afterwards. Tat pratiti ichha, shabda bodha pratiti ichha means, in let's say if I am saying something, I have knowledge of it, I want to make sure you understand the same thing. This is my vaktu ichha. This is vivaksha. If I myself am artha jnana shunya, will I have tat pratiti ichha?
No.
Because I myself don't have pratiti. Pratiti means jnanam. If I myself have not understood, what desire I will have that this person should understand this meaning? If I myself am artha jnana shunya. If I have not understood neha nanasti kinchana, and I go on telling everybody neha nanasti kinchana, neha nanasti kinchana, in that vakya tatparya lakshana will not go. This lakshana tat pratiti ichhaya uccaritatvam, because there is no pratiti itself. Where is the question of pratiti ichha? Because I am artha jnana shunya purusha. So mauni shloka tatparya lakshana will not go. Artha jnana shunya bala lakshana will not go. They will talk about shuka, a parrot. Parrot also doesn't know what he is talking. If somebody has taught the parrot to say something, then whatever is his ichha, tatparya will be of that. Shuka doesn't know. This Shuka example also came in Kiranavali. Nanu tasya artha jnana rahitatve api. Tasya, that Purusha who doesn't have artha jnana rahitatve api, anena tad artha pratiti ichhaya etad vakyam uccaritam iti tadiya tatparya brahmat tad artha jnanam bhavishyati. That he might have some bhranti, that this knowledge he should get. Whatever is the erroneous knowledge, because he doesn't have the real jnana. To let that be the artha jnanam, that be the tatparya bhavishyati iti ashankya hai. Ayam adhyapako avyutpanna iti vishesha darshanena tatra tatparya brahmasya api abhavat. अयम अध्यापको अव्युत्पन्न है. This teacher doesn't know anything. Some student will think or understand when they see that this teacher doesn't know what he is talking. Ayam adhyapako avyutpanna iti vishesha darshanena tatra tatparya brahmasya api abhava. There is the question of tatparya brahma. Shravanam itself will not happen. We do like this. When we go and listen to someone and we see this person is talking here, there is no tatparya, or he doesn't know 1.5 hours we are just sitting there. Over. So where is the question of tatparya brahma? We have not grasped anything here. Vishesha darshanena brahma virodhi avyapaka nishtha vyutpatti jnanena. Brahma virodhi avyapaka nishtha vyutpatti jnanena. This is vishesha darshan. So when this understanding is there, then tatparya brahma also will not happen. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.